ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം ഗുരുജി. ആയിരം ജന്മദിനാശംസകൾ. നമ്മുടെ കുടുംബത്തിനെ എല്ലാവരെയും കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കുന്നതിന് വളരെ വളരെ ആയിരം കോടി നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. ഗുരുജിയുടെ ഫാമിലിനെ എല്ലാവരും കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കാൻ ദൈവത്തിനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. സന്തോഷത്തോടെ എല്ലാവരും ജീവിക്കാൻ ദൈവത്തിനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
आपको शत 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 प्रणाम, आभार, नमस्कार. आपको सबसे पहले आपके जन्मदिन की लख लख लाख लाख बधाइयाँ. आप जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. हमारी ये इच्छा है, दुआ है, कामना है और हम भगवान से यही प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसके अलावा हमारी औकात नहीं है. परमपिता परमेश्वर की आपके ऊपर पहले भी बहुत असीम कृपा है और हम यही प्रार्थना करते हैं, दुआ करते हैं कि आपके ऊपर उसकी और भी कृपा बनी रहे और वही प्यार आप हमें आगे देते रहें. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार गुरुजी, आपको शत शत प्रणाम. आपके जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं हृदय से, फ्रॉम द हार्ट, wishing you all the best for your birthday. You may have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. बारंबार प्रणाम गुरुजी, and we are so blessed to have you with us and so very lucky that you are our guru and taking us on the right path and showing us the true way of life. Thank you Guruji so much. Thank you very 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 much. Thank you.
നമസ്കാരം ഗുരുജി. എൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഇത്രയധികം വിജയങ്ങളും സന്തോഷങ്ങളും നൽകിയ ഗുരുജിക്ക് സർവ്വവിധ ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു.
Dearest Guruji, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Thank you for touching our lives in the special way that you have and changed it forever. We are ever so grateful to you for being a part of our lives. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Pranam Maitreya ji, thank you for bringing so much light into our lives. Wish you all the happiness in the world. Many more happy returns of the day from all of us.
A very happy birthday Guruji. Wish you a very happy, long and healthy life. May you always spread light of knowledge and positivity amongst us forever. Thank you.
Namaste. Happy birthday Guruji. May you be blessed in abundance. It's been my good fortune to come across your teachings and practices. I hope your tribe increases. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Maitreya ji. With love, Anne from Finland.
Happy birthday Guruji. With love, Julian from Finland.
A very very happy birthday dear Maitreya ji.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Namaste Maitreya ji, a very very happy birthday to you and wishing many more happy returns of the day. We wish and pray and hope that your light spreads to many more people far and wide. Have a lovely day. Thank you Maitreya ji for everything that you do.
Guruve, wishing you a very happy many light years of joy, happiness and vast travel in this timeless space. It is a great privilege to connect with such a precious soul at this tech-filled world. Yet it shows still our core connection of pure energy still exists in this fast-moving tech world. And I'm really grateful for these connections with you, Guruve. Stay blessed through and through and have a great birthday. Pranam.
Namaskar Guruji. You helped us learn to see patterns of emotion and thought more clearly and to solve internal conflicts.
We are honored by your presence on the earth because you are helping a lot of people to overcome their problems, and especially you are helping us to grow our spirituality.
We wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
It's really tough. I don't know what to wish, how to wish. क्या बोलूँ मैं? Happy returns of the day, Guruji. I just wish you to be always smiling and happy, and may all of us smile, and may this world become a better place, full of happiness, minus all the ego. No I, me, myself. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Guruji. The warmest wishes on your birthday today and always. Words cannot even describe the grace which you bestow on us each day of our lives, for opening the floodgates of blessings, magic, and loads of light, which were always quite impossible to imagine. The level of goodness you raise us to each day. May we be always deserving of this. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Baba!
Happy birthday, Drabe Anandaji. Namaskar. Many happy returns of the day.
Have a great day!
Namaskar, Maitreya ji. As the sun rays dispel the darkness, you shine in everyone's lives, walking all of us in the path of light, thus dispelling the darkness inside us. You are a true gift from the Lord to all of us. May your life be filled with golden days always. We wish that you receive all the lost opportunities of yesterday and the bright chances of tomorrow. Our prayers and wishes for the most precious gifts of life, health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. We wish you a very happy birthday, Maitreya ji. Thank you.
Many happy days of the day, Maitreya ji. Hope you will touch many more lives in the years to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Guruji, and keep being inspiration for us in spirituality and for all and all that.
Hey Guruji, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maitreya, I love you. Namaskar, Guruji, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maitreya ji. Happy birthday, Maitreya ji.
Happy birthday, Maitreya ji.
Happy birthday, Maitreya ji. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Guruji. I hope you have a great day.
Very nice. Thank you, Gurudev.